This land is beautiful. As we explore, we're finding more and more and realizing just how lovely it is. But it really doesn't compare to how amazing it is to have community. And that really enriches the land. It enriches the beauty, knowing that you have people to stand by you and help you. And today we're going to show you a little bit about what that looked like. Welcome to American Roots. We have somebody that's going to come and mow for us. I don't know how far he can mow. Sheen. Are you going to follow us down or are you going to stay here? Okay.
All right.
Thank you. So he's running it down there and back. He's mowing out an area for us to camp. I can't believe this. Cherry tree.
Another one there. This one, but look at this one. It fell down. It's still growing. Here.
I don't think I comprehend what any of it means yet. You know what I mean? Like,
this is free food.
Yeah.
You could live here and survive now.
All right, I quit. I'm going on vacation.
The mulberries right before they turn purple, they're still a little reddish. It tastes like sour.
Oh, it's another.
Hey, you got fruit everywhere.
Driving on our land. Joe's on the ATV that Tag dropped off for us. And we are headed down to our property. The gate was open when we got here, so Tag told us to do a perimeter sweep and just make sure everything was all good. We are driving down to where Charlie mowed it for us so that we could camp down here. So that's where we're headed back down to go see. I hope that this captured how great it was to have friends and community around us. We don't know much about what we're doing, and so it's super helpful to have people who are willing to take time out of their day, come visit, come tell us what we're doing, and this was a super awesome experience. So I just, as always, want to encourage you to, if you haven't already, find your community and yoke up with them. This was proof firsthand how important it is to yoke up with people that are like-minded and want to see you succeed. Thank you to everyone that came out and joined us for our first day on our land. We couldn't have done what we did without you guys. We're so glad we're here. Until next time, we pray you're blessed, and we'll see you soon.